Hi kids, I'm back again to letter the alphabet panel that belongs to Jeffery Socorro. And also, first, a shout out to all of my loyal subscribers and to my grandchildren, who I love dearly. This is the alphabet panel that I'm going to present to Jeffery as a prize for him being the 500th subscribers. And I need to thank you guys because you really are champs to bear with me and stick with me throughout this whole affair when I haven't been feeling well. And then of course we have the coronavirus on top of this as well. Anyway, Jeffery Socorro won a prize for being the 500th subscriber, and my 1000th subscriber is a young lady by the name of Heather Mulder. Well, I'm going to letter her a prize panel as well and try to give these out every 500 subscriptions. It's my showing of appreciation to all of you who have contributed to this little fiasco that I'm participating in. Anyway, we're going to get these prizes done for these lovely people, regardless of how well I feel or not. Now, I don't know. This is kind of a test run because I've had a horrible time with the tripod. I don't know how to get it set up to where it shows lettering. I just don't know. I'm about to throw my hands up with it. Anyway, what I've done here, this is I showed you how I made the pounce pattern. The only thing I've done since then is I've taken a Stabilo pencil and I've underlined, or I've gone over the pounce with the Stabilo pencil only on the top and bottom lines. I don't feel I would need them. If I do that, what's the sense for a pounce pattern? But I do like to have a solid line, and that way I'm not at any, I know where I'm heading, and that makes it easier for you when you're lettering if you know where you're heading. So let's see what damage we can do here. Hold on just a minute. Of course, the first letter in the alphabet is your A, so we will proceed. Oh, the paint's a little bit sticky, a little bit thick, but that's okay. I don't mind it that way, but not quite so much. Now that's actually, this slanted leg is actually the third brush stroke that you will learn how to make. I'm actually putting the cart before the horse here, and that's exactly what I did not want to do. And yet, watching me letter has some benefits too. It's mesmerizing and relaxing, and watching someone letter, it doesn't teach you as much as if you're at the practice easel yourself, but it can be a teaching instrument, just watching someone do this. Particularly getting over your fears of it and things of that nature. Alright, we're doing good here. We've just about got our A real attractive. And now I will go on to the, I was going to explain just a little bit more about the Stabilo pencil. They make colored Stabilos, and also the one I like the best has a red body to it, and it's a graphite Stabilo pencil. I'm not really fond of the colored ones because they seem to me to be very waxy, and of course here in Texas they melt in the summertime, and that becomes a problem. So my Stabilo pencil that I order from Dick Blick would be the graphite red body Stabilo pencil. There, we've got that taken care of. Now when I finish a letter, I forget all about it. I'm done with the A. I don't want to be bothered with it again. I go right into my B, and I focus only on my B. I don't care about the C that comes next. Don't care about the A that we started with. I am thinking about a B. We first make our straight leg going down. I can't get my paint to work quite right. All right, now this is the stroke that I have really tried to impress upon you. Oh, I went out there, just trying to level it out. We'll fix that. Anyway, I hope I've impressed on you how important that straight leg is to practice. It's the first stroke you learn, and in my belief, the most important. Now, I'm going to have to really concentrate here, because what I'm thinking of is this curve, and also the middle line. The middle line of your lettering becomes very important because several of the letters of the alphabet need the use of a center line. So we're just going to join it right here. We're going to go over. I'm going to start making my curve right now. And I'm focused on the top part of my brush, the hairs on the top, because I want that to follow my markings. The other side will take care of itself. Don't worry about the other side right now. It's this top portion right here that we're developing into a nice circular motion. All right, so we start in again, and we take our brush, and right about here, I'm going to start making my angle into here. I will then hit the dead middle. I'll come down here, and I'll come right there like so. All right. Then I will straighten this up a bit. And this. Now I'm going slow because I want you to get a good idea of what I'm doing here. And I've made the B. We need to make this portion a little bit thicker right there. And we've got our B. Nice looking B. Nothing wrong with that. All right, now C is just a partial circle. That's all it is. And now, kids, I'm taking you a little bit fast because I sure really don't want you to be practicing on these particular letters just yet. It's much too soon. Immediately after I download this film here, I'm going to give you your next practice stroke. Which is a horizontal line. And with that horizontal line, I apologize, kids. I have to concentrate. A good-looking letter takes all the focus you've got. Anyway, with learning the horizontal line, I'm going to turn you loose on a few letters. Now, I don't usually go back and clean up quite as much as I'm doing here. I usually make my stroke and call it quits. But tonight, my paint is working a little bit oddly. I don't know why. Because the paint gods aren't really with me. Anyway, kids, I'm going to go ahead and finish up the alphabets, 2 of them. I've got one behind here as well. You can see. This one is Jeffrey's. This one is for Heather. I'm going to go ahead and finish these 2 alphabet panels up. And then I will be back with you to show you the horizontal stroke, and I'll turn you loose on some letters. Now, I truly do. I'm here somewhere. I truly do appreciate all of your support. And I would appreciate it if you would share my information and like and support my channel. That would really make me thrilled. Little Heather Mulder, I am so pleased to see a woman who's interested in hand lettering. And I really hope you've been practicing that single stroke leg. Because if you haven't been practicing in the crazy times we're in right now, the coronavirus, if you haven't been practicing, you've been really losing and wasting time. I hope you have. I have lots to talk to you about, and I will be back with the horizontal stroke. Thank you so much. I appreciate your attention. Good night.